at West Amherst, the atmosphere is it's pretty overwhelming. It's pretty incredible. We broke ground approximately the end of 2018. There was a lot of challenges that obviously took a little bit longer than we wanted. After about a year, COVID hit, and there was a lot of challenges with that as a company, with bringing in contractors, material, things on back order, extra labor. So within about the last year and a half, there was a lot of extra hands helping out, 6 days a week, a lot of different people from different departments working together to finally get us open approximately April of 2022.
We have at this location, we have our retail fuel out front, which are 8 dispensers or 16 fueling positions. Then we have our convenience store, which offers a convenience store and food service with a waiting room and an area for eating and dining. Then we have a auto detail center, a Super Kiss Plus club inside for the vacuums. And then we have an auto service center, which has your oil lube, and then they do some preventative maintenance for cars, brakes, things of that nature. And then you've got your car wash in the rear of the facility. This site's unique because we have the way the setup is for the car wash. The actual car wash itself is towards the rear of the complex versus up front, which we typically have. So it actually has to have quite the presence for this location. That's why we went with the greenhouse and the height. The height of this location is definitely different than any other location we have. The way that it was designed came from all of the other locations, what we've learned over the years in building, that this has all our latest and greatest, newest technology.
Me personally, I've worked at 8 different locations, about 15 years now. Coming to a location like this has kind of given me, it's like a breath of fresh air. So not only is it a better environment for everybody, we're giving better quality, we're giving better customer service to the customers, but the large scale of this is making that possible for us to do that.
I think the new concept offers a much friendlier visit for customers, or a better journey for them to come in when they come through with their families. It makes it a little more inviting. It's safer for the customers. We have a safe facility. We've designed it with that in mind. This facility, what we've learned here and what we've built, will be our new concept going forward for all of our future Delta Sonics as far as we can see. Welcome to the new West Amherst location. We're excited to be open to the public.